Ucreate is a highly professional and experienced PCB/PCBA components factory who can offer one-stop service for PCB, also can support OEM/ODM projects with in-time delivery after more than many years of successful experience on the global EMS market. In order to supply professional and advanced PCB and PCBA, we are committed to complying with the most stringent standards in the manufacturing process. Our products comply with ISO, RoHS, UL, IATF 16949, IPC, and other standards. All products have undergone FQC full inspection before leaving the factory, and strict circuit testing, impedance testing, reliability testing, functional testing. We are carried out in accordance with customer requirements. Our products are widely used: automotive, medical, consumer electronics, aerospace, digital communications, industrial control, and more. High-performance PCB and PCBA solutions with over many years currently have over 5,000 customers worldwide. Our customers mainly come from Europe and America. We build long-term, positive relationships with our customers based on respect, collaboration, and trust. And we go to electronic fairs every year. Under the mission, high quality, exact delivery, customers' satisfaction, continuous development, common innovation, we believe that Ucreate will develop better and better with your participation.